We're up to 140 something kilometers now with this new stream record. By the way, welcome to the speed run, which we already beat last stream, by the way. Would you like to stay on the Just my glasses, that's all right. It's all good. It's all good, man. T-Man, how you doing, buddy? What's up, man? What it do? It do everything.
Aww,
All right.
you're so cute.
Raider Nation was like,
You're
I'm gonna do
mine.
it now. All right, speaking of being scared, you know scared of my meat. We're scared of the meat. We are also scared of TikTok Oh, even as I forgot to mention the handy decor. There's a rabbit. Okay. Handy, get it? Yeah, I get it. Oh, yeah, there's quite a bit there. Oh, look.
Daniel!
Okay. Oh, this could be good. It has wheels. It has no internal. It's all right. We'll see. It could have everything we need except for wheels. No, here's the one that has no wheels. It has no internals at all. It is a completely gutted thing. Apartment, you need to be on the other side. It does have diesel. What? 48 in there, man. Damn it. Told you. Get over here.
Good morning, everyone.
Well, we don't, shame her for her life. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I don't even know how to get rid of this cigarette. Don't worry, you'll die. Press it. Throw it. There. All right. Well, looks like we're not gonna get the good sized pile of friends on that car. Oh yeah, there's tons. That's because we're on a record-breaking run now. We're very top heavy. We're a little top heavy. We got a rabbit in the back too. That's for food. Hey, there's somebody on TikTok. TikTok. No,